My first kiss went a little like this.
Yeah, that's how it went.
Ay, ang ganda ng background na to. Dito ka. Picturean kita. Alam mo naman ako, Instagram manliligaw. Oh, hold the pose, smile. Look to the left ng konti dyan. Tingin sa akin. Sa akin lang, di sa iba.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka, pwede ba na ako'y lingunin? Konting sulyap mo lang ako.
Old town road, I'm gonna till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back.
Let's show 'em how we get down. I party like a rock star, look like a movie star, play like an all-star, fuck like a porn star.
Redefine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh Lord. My baby is driving me crazy.
Nung araw ay tamis ng ating buhay, puno ng saya at ng kulay.
Sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo nung ako'y ituro mo.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more, the world may know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling.
My anaconda don't want.
Wala ka ng karapatan. You left, remember?
Pinaalis mo ko. Magkaiba yon.
Pero umalis ka naman. Now leave.
Oh my God!
Oh my...
Di ba okay ka naman na, di ba?
Okay.
1 to 10, gano'n ka okay?
Oh! Sobrang okay!
Sobrang okay! Masayang masaya!
There's only one thing to do, 3 words for you. I love you.